The Chevrolet LUV, produced from 1972 to 1982, is a classic compact pickup that holds a special place in automotive history. Originally designed by Isuzu and rebadged by Chevrolet for the North American market, the LUV light utility vehicle was introduced as a response to the growing demand for smaller, fuel-efficient trucks. During the 1970s, fuel crises pushed automakers to develop more economical vehicles, and the LUV fit perfectly into this shift. Its compact size, lightweight design, and impressive fuel efficiency made it an appealing choice for both urban drivers and small business owners who needed a reliable workhorse without the bulk of a full-size truck. One of the standout features of the Chevrolet LUV was its durability. Under the hood, the early models were equipped with a 1.8 LSOHC inline-4 engine, producing around 75 horsepower. While that may not seem like much by today's standards, it was more than enough for a small pickup designed for light-duty tasks. In 1976, Chevrolet introduced a more powerful 2.0L engine, increasing its capabilities. The LUV also came with both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive options, making it versatile for different driving conditions. Its simple yet robust suspension system and solid build quality made it a favorite among those who needed a practical truck that could handle rough terrain without breaking down. Over the years, the Chevrolet LUV underwent subtle design changes while maintaining its compact and functional appeal. Early models featured round headlights and a basic yet practical interior, while later versions saw the introduction of rectangular headlights and slight improvements in comfort. Despite its small stature, the LUV had an impressive payload capacity, allowing owners to transport goods efficiently. It was particularly popular among farmers, tradespeople, and outdoor enthusiasts who needed a truck that could perform without the excessive fuel costs associated with larger pickups. Chevrolet eventually replaced the LUV with the S10 in the early 1980s, but its legacy remained strong among collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its simplicity and reliability. Today, the Chevrolet LUV is considered a cult classic, with many vintage car lovers restoring and modifying these trucks to keep them alive on the roads. Its nostalgic appeal, combined with its historical significance in the compact pickup market, makes it a sought-after vehicle among collectors. Whether preserved in its original condition or customized with modern upgrades, the LUV continues to capture the hearts of automotive enthusiasts who appreciate classic American branding combined with Japanese engineering. As the trend of compact trucks resurfaces in the modern market, the Chevrolet LUV remains a reminder of a time when small pickups provided the perfect balance of efficiency and utility.